Hey guys, here we are driving. I'm excited today to share an ebook with you and some details about it that's going to help you save time learning how to buy scrap gold and save money, especially like protecting you from buying gold plate and other things. It's also got some great information about advertising. I'll see you in the next clip. Okay everybody, let's talk about advertising. So some of the things that I did was I made this banner. Well, I had it made. It just says, let's see here, it says we buy gold. Okay, this banner cost me probably about $100 and it worked really well. At first people don't really respond to it, but after it like sits up for a while, you start getting people to come in, and that's really good. Now, I also tried ads in the newspaper and I was not so successful. I'd pay like $100 to put an ad into the paper for a week, and then I'd get maybe like one call that covered the cost, but like nothing more. And usually, more often than not, it was about coins, and it wasn't about jewelry, which, I mean, jewelry is really where I made a lot more margin. Now, if I had a lot of extra cash on hand, I could make a lot of money with coins too, but it's harder and the margins are tighter. So anyway, in Skip McGrath's ebook, he covers like a couple different topics. He covers like door hangers and paying kids like 3 cents a door hanger to go hang them up like all over the place, and he covers some other tactics. He's got these like flip boards that he puts out on the main traffic areas of the street, and he'll set up in a hotel, like things that I haven't really even tried before. And he's got a bonus material that's basically like all these things pre-printed, like printable like Word documents and that kind of thing that you can print out. So he's got all those things in there, and so I'll put a link to that in the description as well. Trying to think if there's anything more important to say about advertising. It's probably the hardest part about buying gold and one of the most important things. He gives some good work through examples where he's like, well, if you did this many and you get this much of a response from it, usually like 3 to 5% response, and then this is how much it would usually pay out. And that part was, I thought, one of the main highlights of the ebook, and so I really enjoyed it, and I hope you guys do too. So we'll go on to the next clip, whatever that's about. Another important factor to consider is that you need to test the gold that you buy. All these things you see here are gold plated. Every last one. Well, there's a few that are steel or something else, but basically the percentage of gold here is very low. Some of them are brass, some of them are gold with copper on the inside. Like you can see this rose, I tested it, I melted it with a torch to see what was on the inside, and you can see there's copper. So it's important to learn testing techniques like nitric acid testing. The last thing I wanted to talk about is that when you're buying scrap gold, you need to be a little bit careful how you set things up to protect yourself from theft, and have good places to hide or keep things. And Skip McGrath definitely said he had a big section about that in his book. So if you're, oh gross, what is that doing there? So anyway, if you're like, you know, worried about how to set things up, I'm pretty sure his methods are fairly safe, and he will show you how to do that. All right, look at all these beautiful rings. This is like one of my favorite ones. Silver ring, blue stones. Have no idea what they are. I just like it. It's design. It's really cool. Anyway, so oh yeah, guys, I think this is an antique, handmade 14 karat white gold heart. I thought it was silver. It was not. I might have bought it for silver prices. That's kind of cool. Oops. Sometimes you make mistakes. Anyway, I wish you guys the best, and next I'm going to show you guys how to click on the ebook to buy it, because when you go to the buy page, it's like there's like a lot of words and it's not clear where to click. So I'm going to show you on my computer, but anyway, here we go, I guess.
Hey everybody, so I just wanted to quickly show you, once you click on the link in the description, you'll end up on this page. And he's got a whole bunch of information and persuasive stuff about why you should buy his book, which is cool, but I just wanted to show you, this is the link. He's asking $37 for it. He's going to share a little portion of that with me, and you just click this link here, and then you can just like fill out the payment and everything, and it shows IG Refiners as the affiliate. So there you go. The other thing that I just remembered was that he's also got a course on how to sell on Amazon. I'll put that in the description also. If you've listened this far, you're a champ. Thanks for watching and have a great day.